What up, YouTube? This is GeoStealth R1. What are we doing today? Well, it had to be done, and I needed this to get done because I'm coming across and I am going to take this out within a matter of minutes. Once I install this, what am I installing? dustymotors SHROUD. I needed to do this, especially for this one. I was going to take out the X Max, and then I was like, you know what? Let me take out the XRT. I was like, wait a minute. The XRT does not have the treads for the wheels, and you know what? I've already taken my X Max out a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna install this, which is the universal XL size, into my sledge. Now, why am I gonna do this? The way the sledge is built and the way a lot of RCs get built, a lot of snow gets in there. So it should be very interesting. Let me crack this bad boy open and see what is inside. Usually this is a lot easier, but there we go. Let me take this out. Here comes the shroud. Alrighty. So this is the universal shroud that I'm throwing in there. This is going to be fairly simple because, yes, I love the fact that, once again, red stitching matches up with this RC. They did give me, they did ended up giving me shock covers, and also I have the Velcro strap. Sorry for that. They ended up falling on the floor when I ended up cracking this open. So it should be pretty simple. Primarily what I'm going to be doing, let me just take the body off. Just to the front. Lay the body to the side. And what I'm going to be doing is just putting the Velcro all the way down around to this portion of it. And it's going to be the same thing that I'm going to be doing this. The Velcro is going to come over here and go all the way down over here. And once I do adapt the shroud on there, all it does is it Velcros onto this, and then I take the two straps, tighten them down, and then put them on over there. So let's start installing the Velcro and see where we're at from that point on. Alrighty, so now I installed all the Velcro that's on there. I kind of do a little bit of a different approach, and I ended up doing 3 sections. One section a little bit shorter over here, and then crossed right here. I think if there's a situation to where if dirt gets underneath the glue and everything like that, you just replace a small piece and having it unravel down. I also did that with the other side. So all in 3 sections, just to have that available over there. I'm going to install the shroud. It should be very simple. Um, Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to take this right here, and the Dusty Motors logo should be on the left side. And all it is going to come across, stay on this side, stay on the other side. I'm going to wrap this, tighten it up, and go around here, and also over here. And let's do that right now. Alrighty, so here you go. That on both ends came out really nice. It does protect from the snow, dirt. Once again, I'll always tell you, watch out for your temperatures when it comes down to this, especially when you're in the summertime or hotter weather and stuff like that. Hopefully you have sensors on your controller, or downloaded the app, which actually gives you your temperature readings on your ESC and motor. Here's your zipper to where you're able to get to all your components right there. But like I said, it's a very simple install. I ended up throwing the decal back there for you guys to check that out. So, yep, came out really good. I'm very happy with the install. Anyway, if this video was informative to you, definitely give me a thumbs up, rate, comment, subscribe to my friends up on YouTube. Later.